Hi there, students. Whimsical. Okay, whimsical is an adjective that describes fanciful notions and thoughts, ideas that are not very realistic. Maybe they're a bit unusual. So something that is whimsical is almost like fantasy in your mind. Yeah? Maybe if I started imagining that I was flying round this room like a butterfly, okay, that would be a fairly whimsical thought. Okay, so something that's whimsical is something that you suddenly have this strange idea or this strange thought. It's like a flight of fantasy, yeah? Okay, it's not a negative thing. Notice this word whimsical comes from a whim. A whim is a sudden desire to do something, but to do something unusual or unexpected, yeah? So I suddenly had a strange whim to eat ice cream and sardines together. Okay, that's a pretty strange thought, yeah? Okay, whims are like sudden capricious desires, okay? And a whim is more normally thought of as a little bit negative. But something that's whimsical is something that's fanciful, something that is a flight of fancy. Okay, so some weird and strange idea that you've suddenly had, yeah? But it doesn't just have to be an idea. His style of decoration is very whimsical. Okay, so maybe he mixes industrial with rococo, for example. I don't know. Notice whimsical can be used slightly negatively, meaning unpredictable. As in, he's very whimsical with his work. He doesn't concentrate on what he should do, but is always having playful and fanciful ideas or ways of doing it. Okay, so whimsical. He gave me a whimsical look, almost like a playful look, if you like. Yeah. So something that's whimsical is quite out of the ordinary. Yeah, something that doesn't normally go together, something that's really quite fantastic or strange. Yeah, okay, so but most normally whimsical thoughts, whimsical ideas, whimsical plans. Okay, so somebody that's whimsical doesn't have their feet on the ground. Yeah, their head is always in the clouds thinking about strange and maybe very good, but we don't know, ways of doing things or combining things. Or okay, so something that's whimsical, it's completely different. Yeah, it's not something that is normal. Okay, not run of the mill. Okay, and maybe not realistic as well. Okay, anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So, whimsical and a whim.